Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started.
Hi guys, this is Trader Sarab and today is June 24th, 2019, and this video is about how I made quick $100 in 1 minute. So this is an Amazon contract that we are looking, Amazon call contract for option for 1920 strike. You can see I bought that for $1,700 right here at $9.39 and I sold it the same minute for $1,800. Let me show you the Amazon chart itself. Alright. So 9:39. So you see this big candle right here? It went from 9:12 to 9:14, just like a $2 move, which is very quickly and easily you can see it on pretty much on Amazon throughout the whole day. You see this candle is even a lot huge, but just on this small candle I was able to capture $100. And right here, you can see the momentum dying out for the downside, and over here is a white dot which is telling you to get out. So for the downside, and I actually took that as a scalp to go for the upside because I saw the momentum going up. And you can see even the next candle it went up a lot more. So it went from right here from 9:12 to the next candle almost like 19:16. So $4 right there.
Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can hit us up on Twitter at ZeroToHeroTrader or Instagram at the same. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and check the description for a link to that free Discord chat. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Peace.